Hello everyone, welcome to the Marvelous Beauty channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, and traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. This video will be a flip through of my social media planner for the entire month of November. This video will be especially helpful for you if you are new to planning on a budget, or if you need inspiration for how to plan using one sticker book, maybe two, and one or two pieces or rolls of washi. Also in the video, I will show you how to make a planner clip or two out of whatever leftover washi you may have. So sit back and enjoy. Along the video, I will give you some great hints and tips on how to use your materials. So let's get right into it. So this is my social media planner. And I've taken a break kind of from a lot of my planners, not on purpose, but because I recently went back to work. So everything kind of got a little bit out of control on the work front, but now things are back in control. So again, for the entire month, I used these two sticker books, Glam Girl and the Glam Girl accessory pack, and also the washi that went with this Glam Girl set. These came out last fall, I believe, in so around this time last year. Happy Planner. That's when I purchased these items. And again, like I mentioned, planning on a budget. So I came to Happy Planner last fall, and when I purchased all of these items, I actually got them on a deep discount because I did get them at about 60% off, and then I used my teacher's discount at Michael's also and got another 15% off. But because I was new to the whole Happy Planner thing, I went a little bit crazy, so I was buying everything. So the reason why I say this kind of thing would be good for someone who's planning on a budget is because if you went out right now and you're new to this and you only wanted to pick up maybe one planner and one sticker book, one set of washi, you have a lot of options, which you're going to see that you can actually plan for a month, actually probably your whole year, with just that one set of materials. You don't have to go out and buy everything like a lot of us do. So here you have the whole month of November. And again, all of the stickers you see here, with the exception of these tiny script stickers, came out of Glam Girl. These tiny script stickers that say plan video, plan with me, came from Designing San Diego, and I actually got these on a $2 Tuesday. So again, very budget friendly. Okay, so that is the monthly. Now we'll turn over to the first week. If you like dolls, but again, you don't want to go out and buy any other additional items, you don't have to. Where did these dolls come from? I think these dolls either came, let me just check. I'm just flipping through. I think the dolls were in the accessory book. So you had a few different sizes in the accessory book, but you had at least 20 of them. So I took that out of here, and you'll see she shows up in multiple times in multiple sizes and different locations. And down here along the bottom, you can see where I used the washi, and I kind of doubled it up in some places. All right, here you can see my doll again. She's in a different location, a different skin tone. She's over here holding her coffee. I drink coffee every day, so she has to be here at least once a week. Here's your washi again, same washi, different look, different location. And again, stickers only from these two books. So I'm hoping this is giving you some inspiration on how you can just use the materials you already have and also stick with one set of materials. And also, this is very helpful for me to plan this way too, because like I said, when I'm short on time, it is very helpful for me to just pull out one kind of just one set of something and just get going and not stop until I'm done and not keep going back and forth between a lot of different things and pulling and going back and forth, which that's what it could be. Now, on days when I don't mind, when I'm just, that's all I'm doing is taking out everything and planning, it's fun to do that. But when I'm just trying to get a quick spread together to get it together, then this is what I need to do. Pull out one set of materials and go. Here's my dowel again. Here's my washi up here. And like I said, just one sticker book. The only difference here is we have those 3 little scripts that came again from the Designing San Diego. This one is one of my favorite spreads out that I sat down and put together when I sat down that day because of the navy and the gold. Oh my Lord. I just thought this one was just like setting it off. I almost don't even want to write on this one. I thought this one was setting it off. Usually I'm all about the pink, but I felt like this one was it with even the lavender in the background. And I have a thing for monochrome, if you couldn't tell by now. Here we go again. Here's my dowel. Here's the washi. If you can see over here, I'm getting to the end of the roll of the washi, which is why I said I will show you how to make a quick little planner clip out of the leftover washi. And so I doubled up down here, and I kind of just, used some of the different stickers. I mixed and matched from both of the books, put my little girl in with her coffee, and that was it. That was the whole month. So I'll just flip back through so you can see the whole month. So that's the last week of the month. The 29th will be my YouTube anniversary for my first day, first video actually that I uploaded ever on YouTube. So here's the second to the last week. And for me, this is decorative and functional for this actual planner because I do a lot of writing in this planner. And then there's the monthly. So let's move this stuff out of the way. And let me just quickly, so just quickly show you what to do here. So I have 3 paper clips. And I actually maybe make one out of this one too. See how much I have left of this. So I don't have much left of this. So you want to take your washi, and I like to just make these out of this kind of washi that is just printed and where it doesn't matter if it matches up or not. Like when you're doing washi that has words, you have to kind of work a little bit harder. So either you want to take your washi and you can loop it at the top. You want to make sure your washi is even. And washi is pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about getting it, like ripping it or anything. So I just took my washi, I lined it up close together. I didn't make it any certain length or anything. And I'm cutting it off like that. And now I'm just cutting the inside to make it. So I'm just making this one like a point, because you can make it however you want. And I'll make the other one. So again, I'm just taking the washi off of it first. And you want to make sure that you have the clip part of your paper clip down. And see, and now if you use the same washi that you're using or using in your planner, it actually just matches with your planner and your actual spread for the week. So this one, I'm just going to take and trim to the side. So that's just a little side one, little side view. Let me see if I can just get a little piece of cardboard. And then here's a little one on a little gold. This little one on a little gold kind of thing. So now I'm just going to trim this one. I'm trying to make a V, but I think I'm trimming it wrong. Wait a minute. Okay, I made it a little bit better. There's a little one. And then we have this last little clip here. And it's a little fancy little clip. And see, I know I'm getting down to the end, the very end of this washi because it's getting very light. And then because this is a different kind of clip, so there you have it. So now if I wanted to use these three little clips in one of the spreads, and let me just pull a page out or put the page on top so you can see it. So here we have this one on the little gold, and we could have her over here. This one has a little purple in it. Oh, we could put the sophisticated one over here on this page, and put the pink one on the pink one. Move this one in closer so there you have it. And you see that doesn't take you too long, and you have your whole month kind of tabbed off. So there's the top view, little quick view. So again, there's your 4 weeks and your monthly spread using just 2 sticker books, with 1 sticker book in the accessory pack if you have the accessory pack. But if you don't, then you could also still do it with just the sticker book and your washi set. I hope that was very helpful for you. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to this channel, share this video with someone you know, someone you care about. Please remember to stay safe out there, stay healthy. If you have to, stay home. And also, you are important.